Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 124 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is obdurate. The meaning of the word obdurate is stubbornly refusing to change one's opinion or course of action. I repeat, the meaning is stubbornly refusing to change one's opinion or course of action. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word obdurate better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, despite the defendant's apology, the judge was obdurate and gave him a 30-year sentence. Here, obdurate is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be stubborn, obstinate, or unyielding. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be compliant or tractable. Now guys we'll use the language हिंदी to understand this given word better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड ऑब्ड्यूरेट को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, despite the defendant's apology, the judge was obdurate and gave him a 30-year sentence. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है, प्रतिवादी के क्षमा याचना के बावजूद न्यायाधीश अडिग थे और उन्होंने उसे 30 साल की सजा दी. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्ड्यूरेट का मतलब है अडिग होना. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this given word obdurate better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.